Hi, it's Laura. How you doing? I hope you're well. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a review of the new number 4 box marked by ink. I had just came back from a tattoo appointment and this was waiting on my doorstep, so I'm really excited. It was like wonderful timing. I wasn't expecting it to come so soon. It came actually really quickly. So this is the 4th marked box that I have got, and I started with the Founders Edition, so I have all of them, and this is what it looks like. I broke the seal, but haven't really checked it out yet, so we'll do that together. So let's see what they got. It feels heavy. It feels jam-packed actually, so I'm really excited to see what's in it. You're gonna get the first view. So there it is. Some nice postcard art here on the top. We'll find out what that is. So this is the card that they put on top saying what everything is. And oh, they have their nice wax seal back, which I'm happy to see that. So let's take a look. So yeah, let's not cheat. Let's just see what it is. We'll look at the details later. I'm excited. It's really packed this time. So all right, start right off here. This looks like a t-shirt. Give me a minute to unwrap this baby. Ooh, wow. That is pretty darn cool looking. That is the same image that's on the postcard art, so we'll find out about that, but I really like that. I love the colors of that. That's really nice. And it's super heavyweight. 100% cotton. 100% cotton. It feels nice. It feels like a good quality shirt, and the printing is gorgeous. So far so good. Let's see what's next. Okay, so here's all the goodies underneath that, and it's jammed this time. Wow. All right, we'll just pull out stuff. Ooh, check it out. Vampire Red, amplified. That is some Manic Panic. This is their amplified line in Vampire Red. Cool. I wanted to try red. I am not scared of hair color. And I have not ever tried Manic Panic, but I've wanted to for a long time. So I'm excited for this. This will definitely get used. And I've shopped for Manic Panic before, and I know it can range from about 16 to 20 bucks, depending on where you buy it. So right off the bat, t-shirt and that covers the box and then some. So wow, off to a bang up start this month, I have to say. Okay, let's see what we got here. Slay All Day CBD face wash. Millennial Beauty. That will definitely get used as well. I don't know what the cost on that one is, but I like it. Ooh, Pyramid incense cones from Reverse Karma. I do like incense, so let's see what this one. Let's pop the top on that. Ah, there we go. Incense cones. Ooh, that's nice. It's kind of earthy. Hand dipped 25 cones. That's actually quite a lot. And it smells nice. It's kind of a bit piney, a bit woodsy, a bit foresty. Yeah, that will get used too. So far, so good on this box. Wow, wow, wow. Filled to the gills. What else have we got? Okay, another item from Death Wish Coffee. They've had a few items from Death Wish Coffee in previous boxes. I am not a coffee drinker, so I have gifted those items. But Let's give this a go. I mean, I can't see it, but you can see it. I have a very tiny face, so lots of glasses look gigantic on me. They are not the highest quality sunglasses I've ever seen, but they're cute. And I do know somebody who would like these, so that's a nice bonus. When you get regifting items, it's nice. Let's see what we got here. Hemp extracts, soft gels, 34 gels. Supplement. They always send some food item or something like that, so I guess this time they're sending hemp supplements from R&R Medicinals. I mean, it's not a trial size. I mean, 34, that's pretty standard for what you get for just a full-size item. So you also get a coupon if you like this. You can get 25% off your next order. Natatat Tattoo Care. Natatat Tattoo Care. So it looks like we've got an aftercare lotion. Let's just check it out. 2 items. Tattoo Care pre and post ointment. Always handy, especially with fresh work done. How about that? And tattoo balm. So these 2 items from Natatat. Again, this is trial size, but this is a regular size for a balm. Sealed for my protection. Okay, well, let's bust into that. There's actually like not even an odor, which is nice. Some people don't like things that have a strong odor, so having something that's pretty much odorless, I would say. Pretty good ingredients: sunflower oil, wax, coconut oil, castor oil. That's shea butter. Yeah, that's pretty decent for putting on tattoos. 100% vegan and organic, self and healthy ingredients formulated to enhance tattoos, made in the USA and convenient size. I agree with all of that. That's nice. Used on healed tattoos. Apply 1 stroke and rub in skin. I'll do that. And then tattoo ointment. So this is the ointment sample to prepare skin during the tattoo process to soothe and moisturize and rebalance. Cool. And they have a lot of other products, so if I like these, I will definitely give those a try. Vegan and organic certified. Natatat. Nice. I like that. Gosh, there's more stuff. There's more. Oh, great. Okay, so this is the other canvas. They always have a canvas about this size, and I think it's 5 by 5. I like the consistency of having this, so when I display them, they're really uniform and create a nice look. And a sticker. This kind of looks like the same artist. I'll have to look in the card to see, but that's a really nice vinyl sticker. What else we got? Even more. I can't believe how much they packed into this one. Wow. A little thing card from Death Wish Coffee. That'd be cool in a cute little frame. That's kind of a nice little print just on its own. Oh, wow. So they're supporting and donating to artists to help support them during the time of the pandemic and when tattoo shops are not operable. And yeah, that's great. Supporting Death Wish Coffee, supporting artists. Final item. Another, I think this is also from Death Wish Coffee. Oh, that's slick. A metal enamel pen. Death card. Nice. Wow. This, for me, this box really nailed it. There's so many items in here that I will definitely use and enjoy. I'm really jazzed with what's in this one. So let's find out a little bit more detail about what we got here in terms of the art. All right, so what's in the box? Oh, DJ Tambi. Nice. Okay, so They always feature one artist, and this time it's DJ Tambi. I think he was on Ink Master, and then he was on Ink Master Grudge Match as one of the judges. So yeah, his work is nice. I really like that. Cool. This is the first guy artist that they featured. The first 2 boxes were all women artists featured, which I love. So let's see. Okay. So the skull sticker, the postcard, and the t-shirt design and the canvas are all by DJ Tambi. Nice. So here's the description of the artwork. So the canvas is called Stuck. The postcard and the shirt, the artwork is called Mask Off, and then the skull is a sticker, because who doesn't like skulls, right? We all love that. So yeah, all the artwork by DJ Tambi. All right, and then here's more information. So if this is your first box, they do send you the trucker hat, and if it's not your first box, then you get a t-shirt. And I love this design. That's really nice. It's a good quality shirt as well. Then we've got the Manic Panic hair dye, amplified, Death Wish sunglasses, Death Wish enamel pin, because again, who doesn't need more skulls? Rock this death card pin on your favorite denim jacket, backpack, or hat. And then more information on the other items. Natatat Tattoo Care Kit, which had the 2 items in it. A premium self-care item, which is, I'm presuming, the face wash, Slay All Day. Medicinals, and an extra thing for the incense. Also, with the marked boxes, they do donate to the SCARS Foundation, which helps raise awareness and solutions to mental health issues that so many people are faced with. We are all imperfectly perfect. That's what the back says. I really appreciate that they have made efforts to find charities to support, and that they are consistent with what they're doing. So this is box number 4 from Marked, and this would be, I guess, the July-August box. Enjoy. I know I am, and like I said, everything in there, good quality stuff, full size, and this shirt, oof, yes, yes, yes. A side note, I am not supported by Inked. I have no arrangement with Inked. These are completely independent reviews. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you stop by again sometime. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.